and welcome to my YouTube channel. And guess what? Today I am going to make you some sweet and spicy sausages with Pacifico Clara beer. I will be right back because we're going to start cooking. Yeah? Yes! Alright, so for our sweet and spicy sausages with Pacifico Clara beers, I'm going to show you all the ingredients we're going to be adding. So this is 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, about 3 ounces if you want 4 ounces of pickles, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and also over here we have whole cumin, and we have a tablespoon ground garlic, and right over here we have a tablespoon of cornstarch, and we have half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and half a teaspoon of cloves, and right over here we have about 1.5 ounces of a white sesame seed, and this right here is called celery flakes. Now if you do not want to use celery flakes, that is perfectly fine. You can also use parsley, and for our spiciness we are going to use about a teaspoon of chili flakes, and we're going to use a little bit of red onion. And right over here we have ground pork, and this is 16 ounces of ground pork. Let's not forget our Pacifico Clara beer. But let me tell you, if you are making these sausages, make sure all your ingredients are dry, because we don't want so much in our sausages super wet. So now we're going to add our sugar, the cornstarch. Make sure you sprinkle it very well too. Garlic powder, and for our spices, of course, let's not forget the ground cloves and ground cinnamon, and our whole cumin, salt and pepper for the taste, and all these goodies. At this point we mix them. You guys should be here. The smell already is like, wow, it smells so good. Now let's start cutting our onion and our pickle. I am only going to use about 3 ounces of red onion. Cut the minced cut. Let's start adding our red onion. Let's mix again. Now the pickles are very optional. It's up to you, but I'm going to tell you. If you put the pickle, it will give the crunchiness, the sweetness into the sausages. I know we cut this again minced cut. Just like me, I'm a pickle lover. I love lots of pickles. I love lots of mustard. Time to add our Pacifico Clara beer. Yummy, no? Do not add so much. As you can see here on my measuring cup, I'm only going to add 4 ounces. Bubbly. We're just going to mix this very well again. Let this set for at least 10 minutes, and I will be right back. Now it has been 10 minutes, so it's been marinating pretty well, but you can also marinate it overnight if you'd like. Now I have some wax paper here. Cut this in half. This is what I would say 6 inches by 8. I'm putting at least 4 ounces of the meat here into our wax paper, and we are going to roll this. Put this inside the freezer for at least 1 hour to 2 hours, or overnight, or it can even stay inside your freezer for a few weeks. I'll be back because we're gonna start cooking. I'm gonna grab what we made last night. Look what I got from you from the freezer. Yes, we're gonna start cooking. Remember, we had leftover of Pacifico Clara beer. When I cook my sausages, I love my beers with it. So what I do is I put 6 ounces of Pacifico Clara, and I will put it on my skillet, and we're gonna let this be cooked for 5 minutes. Now when you see it's getting brown, that's when we put in our sweet and spicy sausages. I will be right back. Let's cook this fast. Now it has been 5 minutes. We have been brewing our Cerveza, our Pacifico Clara beer. So this is how it looks like now. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of brown sugar. And since I like my sweet and spicy sausages spicy, I'm gonna add a little bit of the chili flakes. Our sausages, yes, yes. So kind of take off them away from the wax, the paper, and set them just like that. At this point, don't forget to cover and make sure you cook it on each side about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. And look at this, time to flip our spicy and sausages. Look at that, all that beef that got brewed. Look at that, caramelized too. So it has been 4 minutes. We're gonna cook this again for another 4 minutes. That's because you want to make sure that you pork or beef, you can even use beef or chicken to this recipe. Please, again, share this with your families and your loved ones. But since this is pork, I want to cook it about 8 to 10 minutes. And we are ready. Look at this. Yum! Wow, the smell too smells so good. This is also good for appetizer. You guys are going to love this. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube channel here, Cooking It with Chef Coco P Cruz. I hope you get to enjoy our show just for you, making you our sweet and sour spicy with Pacifico beef. You guys are going to love this. Again, I can't wait because I want to start eating. Yum! See you again. Love you all. Enjoy. Oh, I don't have my open. Hold on there. Oh, I forgot my beer opener. Ta-da! Bubbles included. Oh, I just love this